Welcome back to the Horsepower Factory, and today we've got something really exciting for you. It's the latest supercharger upgrade from Walkinshaw Performance. In conjunction with Harrop Technologies, Walkinshaw has put together a 2650 Supercharger for the Silverado 1500 6.2 litre V8. Now this big rig already produces a healthy 313 kilowatt at the flywheel and 624 Newton meters of torque, so it's no slouch, but we reckon we can get a little bit more out of this. So let's get it on the hoist, get some baseline numbers, get the kit fitted and see what we can make.
Walkinshaw and Harrop, two of Australia's leading names in performance upgrades, have joined forces to create a brilliantly engineered supercharger option for the 1500 Silverado. The Harrop-designed TVS2650 Supercharger for the L87 6.2 litre V8 features Eaton TVS technology and is validated to OEM specifications for quality and durability, resetting the performance potential for positive displacement supercharger technology under all driving conditions, with Walkinshaw-developed calibration and warranty. To fit the package, we must first partially disassemble the supercharger so that it can be mated to the engine, but this gives us a great opportunity to check out the twin internal dual-pass intercooler design. Now it's out with the old plastic manifold, and before we fit the supercharger we will install the high output pump and heat exchanger setup that feeds the intercoolers. We will also install thermal insulated manifold spaces between the engine and supercharger to minimise heat transfer from the engine to the supercharger manifold. The supercharger is then fitted into place and the intercooler cores replaced before the cover goes on. All brackets, pulleys and belts are then installed and the airbox goes back on before we load up a Walkinshaw developed calibration designed to deliver maximum performance while validating OEM durability standards. It's then back onto the dyno to check everything is working perfectly.
Wow, an incredible 35% increase in peak power and torque. But if you look at the other end of the graph, you'll notice 65% increase in power and torque in the range that we really want it, where you're towing, where you need something like that to get this big rig up and moving.
If you're looking for a performance upgrade to help get your Silverado towing better with improved economy and a driveline warranty that can also pull 13-second passes all day at the track, get in touch with us today on 1-800-GO-FAST or visit hp-f.com.au.